Hi, Matt Capell here. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I have this book here called The Consumer Guide to Floor Covering. And basically what it is it's a guide to make you a better shopper when shopping for flooring. And today I just wanted to read one little section of it to you. And if you have any questions, please like or comment below. Feel free to share this. And here's a so here today I have like a section here that does different misconceptions, and this happens to be misconception number 7. It says any honest floor dealer should be able to give you an accurate price over the phone. So basically the answer to that is no, and here's why. So here's what I say. There are 4 items that must be reviewed before a dealer can give you an accurate price quote, okay? The first one is the kind of flooring you need. Number 2, the size of the rooms. 3, the shape of the rooms. And 4, any special needs that might affect the installation. Okay, so any dealer who does not review these 4 items is basically guessing at the price. Okay, so here at Capell Flooring, we like to give you a no surprise quote. And so it's very important, and why we like you to come in and see us first. We'll sit down, we do our trademarked design audit, go through a series of questions, find out what's best for you and your situation. And then at that point, we'll send somebody out to take measurements, and then we can get you an accurate quote that we know is going to be accurate work, and it'll be 100% accurate. But over the phone, it's just too hard. I mean, there's just too many variables and things. And the other thing that's difficult is, for example, if you say, hey, I'd like a quote, and you say it's 1,500 square feet, when carpet waste, it's kind of like a big sewing project, and it can be between anywhere from like 3 to 20% waste. And so it's just, you're guessing at that point. So I just wanted you to know that that misconception, it's very difficult to do it over the phone because you have to see it and you have to pick out some products first. So hopefully that makes you a better shopper. We'd love to have you come in and see us here at our showroom here in Meridian, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much and appreciate it. And if you haven't, please come by and get a free copy of this book, or you can go to consumersguidetoflooring.com and download one for free. And thanks so much and have a great day.